Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Thrifted Coquette shirts in Berry Avenue. So if you want to add a trendy Thrifted Coquette look to your outfits in Berry Avenue, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the style the aesthetic shirts for the ultimate vintage meets modern vibe. So here you can just look for the search in the avatar menu, and you can use the keyword thrifted Colgate. So click on the shirt category and tap on the shirt tab and just write thrifted Colgate. Click on enter or search, and then you'll find lots of shirt in here that you can wear. So you can just select which one that you like the best or match with the outfits that you are or the rest of the outfit items that you are using. Okay, so here I think I'm going to use okay, this one. Tap on done, and that's it. So you'll get this Coquette shirt, thrifted Coquette shirt for your avatar. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.